ka hāro taku kāhu I te tai pai pau taupiri, hāro ai te moingaroa aku mātua tūpuna, ka whākana aku whatu ki ngā wai tukukiri, ki ngā wai o rao Waikato, ka tere taku haere ki wāhi pā e ki ia nei te kōrero, mahuta takaroa tū mai tāne, tū mai media, haumi e hui e tāe ki e. I tipu ake au ki Rahui Pōkeka, ki Huntly. I grew up in Huntly. Went to Rahui Pōkeka kohanga reo, and that's where my nana could see that I loved singing and I loved, being up front. I'm also the first of my whānau to come out of university as well, which I'm really happy for my whānau, for me but for them. Kei Elam Elam School of Fine Arts at Auckland University, e whai ana I taku tohu Masters in Fine Arts. Being curious about kapahaka and wanting to really deepen my understanding of the art form of kapahaka and also the art form of performance in a Pākehā outlook, and merging those two worlds together and seeing what's there, because I know there's so much there. I wanted to go more towards filmmaking, which I am right now. I'm making my first kiriata. I think that's my kind of the outward self of me. My rongo is, especially being at Elam, I'll probably be doing a bit of contemporary art, exhibitions and going more inward. And I think I should go more inward before showing my whakaata, my tū.